Hello, my name is Cecil Lewis. I am faculty in the Department of Anthropology at the University of Oklahoma, and I'm a biological anthropologist. Specifically, I'm an anthropological geneticist, which means I study DNA to address anthropological questions. Some of the questions that I really like to address is, what is the ancestral state of the human condition? What did we look like before today? Genetically, as well as where did we live and what did we practice? I not only study the DNA of humans, but I'll also study the DNA of the microbes that are on the human body. For example, if I was to zoom into my hand and look really close at the skin, I would see little building blocks that we call cells. But I wouldn't only see human cells, I would also see the cells of microbes. And you can think of these microbes as independently living little critters, but the reality is we actually depend on them for our own survival. We need them in order to live. And what we've learned is since industrialization, we have really changed our relationship with these microbes. Changed them in such a way that we have increased autoimmune diseases like allergies and eczema. So what I like to study is, well, what was our relationship with microbes before industrialization, before antibiotics and chlorinated water, before this change occurred? What did it look like before then, before we had these really serious issues with allergies? Not to look at it to return to that state. I mean, I'm kind of happy we don't have those horrible critters affecting us like they did our ancestors, but there's lots of good guys there, and maybe we lost some of those good guys too. So we study that ancestral state of the human microbiome, the microbe-human relationship, and maybe by studying that ancestral state, we can learn some ways of improving the quality of life of people today. Anthropological geneticists do all sorts of studies like this, and many of which we're involved in here at the University of Oklahoma. Not just the microbiome, but understanding primate evolution and the peopling of the world, as well as basically what does it mean biologically to be human. So the DNA data and the DNA information is quite exciting, and there's really, really exciting work being done right here in the Department of Anthropology at the University of Oklahoma.